Hello and welcome to another product close-up from the Warm and Cozy release. Continuing with the A2 Foundation series, the 4-piece square foundations is a fabulous addition to your everyday card making and crafting. The Trinity Stamps A2 Foundation Square Stencil set is perfect to create depth and dimension on your projects. Not only are they great for ink blending, but this 4-piece stencil set contains center alignment etch marks, both in the main stencil and the negative pieces, to aid in die, stamp, or embellishment alignment. This will quickly become one of your go-to crafting tools. As with our other layering stencils, all stencils are etched with their partnering stencils design to make it effortless to line up your stencil just right. Use them with glitter or stencil paste, trace with a pencil lightly in watercolor, or ink blend through the stencil with our blending buddy brushes. The possibilities are endless with our stencils. I hope you've enjoyed having a look at some of the samples from our design team, and we'd love for you to check out the rest of our foundation stencils.